Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Fine, guys. So we are giving the demo on ETL testing, guys. Okay.
Hmm.
So ETL testing is divided into, guys, two types. Okay. One is the manual ETL testing, and one is the automation ETL testing. Okay. Nowadays, they are also asking there is something called as cloud-based ETL testing. Do you guys have any idea on ETL testing? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
What about Shubhangi? Do you have any idea?
No, sir.
No idea. Go, no problem. See. Now, guys, this is the traditional manual ETL testing. Okay. For this, if you go anywhere with respect to ETL testing, if you want to learn, they will teach, and we also teach. There's something tool called as Informatica. Okay. This is the ETL
Okay.
tool, what we take. Okay. And this is a
Hmm.
general manual ETL testing, guys. No big technologies, very easy to learn ETL testing. Okay. We are using the tool Informatica. And we will also learn, guys, there's something called as report testing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So report testing means the reports are developed, okay, using the report testing tool like Power BI is a report testing tool, OBI is the report testing tool, SSRS SQL Server reporting services. This is a
Hmm.
reporting tool. Okay, guys. MicroStrategy. This is again a report testing tool, guys. So there are a lot
Hmm.
of report testing tools. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the, guys, report testing tools. Okay, so we will learn, guys, this report testing tool separately. Report testing is separate, and manual ETL testing using Informatica is separate. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then, guys, automation ETL testing is separate, guys. This is
Hmm.
using the Python and PySpark. Okay, so this is a
Okay.
separate. We will discuss this also. Okay. And then,
Hmm.
guys, apart from that, there is something called as cloud-based ETL testing. We'll discuss on this also, guys. There is something called as Azure Databricks. Okay, I don't know how many of you have learned, how many of you I have heard about this Azure Databricks, and then there is something called as Azure Data Lake. This is cloud-based, okay?
Okay.
Cloud. The data is getting saved in the cloud environment. Okay, guys?
Hmm. Okay.
So now Azure Databricks, Azure Data Lake, there is something called as Azure Data Storage. As of now,
Hmm.
today you will just come to know the names. Okay. Azure Data
Okay.
Storage, there is something called as Snowflake. Okay. So these are the, guys, cloud-based ETL testing. Okay.
Hmm.
And to learn a ETL testing, guys, the backbone is what? SQL. Okay. We will learn SQL in depth, guys. Okay.
Hmm.
So this also will learn, we have to know some Unix commands. This also will learn, some projects are there. Okay.
Okay.
Two live project we will discuss, guys. Okay.
Hmm.
And then there is something called as CV preparation. So we'll prepare the CV, guys. There's something
Yeah.
called as interview questions. Okay. So we'll
Hmm.
discuss the interview questions, whatever is asked in the
Interest.
interviews. Out of 10, guys, I think 9 questions will be from the topic what I will teach. Okay, I have taught more than I think 2000 students in my life, and huge solid experience I have in these things. Okay, more than 13, 14
Okay.
years I have in this field. So everything will be synchronized. I have all the materials, guys. Let me just show you so that you get some understanding. So if you go to ETL testing, guys, so this is our material, guys. Okay, so if I go to ETL notes, I can just show you. This is our material, guys. This you will get nowhere. This is our prepared by BTS. Okay, introduction to ETL,
Okay.
ETL beer testing, report testing. If you control and click here, you will go here. This is the introduction
Hmm.
section. And similarly, guys, ETL architecture and the entire syllabus of ETL testing is present in this document. This is prepared by me only. Okay, ETL architecture, data migration, what are data marts, data warehouse, and data cleansing, data scrubbing, difference between DB and data warehouse testing, challenges in warehouse testing, all these transformations, B2B aggregate,
Hmm.
filter, expression, router. DB to DB validation, Excel to Excel, file to file, SCD, then primary surrogate key, initial incremental load, integration, regression testing, UAT, report testing, defect, data modeling, Unix test scenario, test cases, Informatica, Tidal, which is a scheduling tool, ETL development. So all these things are present. We have all the materials, guys. If we will provide you all the materials, we'll provide you all the softwares of Informatica, Oracle for lifetime. All those things we'll give you. And then, guys, we'll give you the live projects and everything. See, everything we have our own. Suppose BI reporting, cloud-based, and suppose I go to CV. So we have, guys, our own CV format and everything, where you just have to change your name and all, and projects and everything we will be telling you. We have our own project. We have our own software. So we have our software of Informatica and SQL. And just give me 1 second. Let me just show you. We have our software of Informatica and as well as the Oracle, which is integrated software, because Informatica we need to integrate with the Oracle, okay, to use it. So this is our software. I just wanted to show you. This is in VM, okay. How to install, guys, all those things I'll teach you. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is our software, guys. This is Informatica Power Center, which is everyone discusses. Okay, this is our Oracle software. This is SQL software, Oracle software, and here we'll write the SQL queries. So we have our software, we have our materials. We give the recording, guys. We prepare the CV. If you go to our interview question section, we have our separate interview question section. So we give our interview questions, and most of the questions will be asked from here, as I told you. So the questions based on ETL testing, the question based on report testing, the question based on SQL, guys. All those things will be. We have our separate package, guys. You can tell. So test QC, Unix. What are the questions asked in the interviews? So this is the overall. This is the first day, guys. I can just tell you the prelims. What is going to happen here? Okay. So the timing is, guys, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, it will take around, guys, 2 months to complete. Okay, because we will learn, guys, SQL also. We'll learn some portion of Python also. Okay, and we'll try to automate also. So we'll use some portion of PySpark. There is something called as data frame. There's something called as temp table. All those things we will see. First, we'll see how to check manually. Manually, how to check. Okay. And then, guys, that's enough to clear any interview. But if you want to learn the advanced level ETL automation, so we are covering this time ETL automation testing, and we are covering entire Python and PySpark and how to compare. Suppose I want to compare, okay, how to compare the data between source and target. Okay, so manually we will compare, and also using automation, how we can compare the data between source and target using Python and PySpark. So complete automation also we will cover this time. So this is, guys, overall the prelim of how the things will go. Okay. So now, guys, you ask your questions, guys. Okay. Anything you have any doubt? No. So, guys, please be feel free with me, and you can ask anything, guys. Okay. So that is how the training goes. This training is not a normal training like someone will come and give a lecture like that. It will not go. You can ask anything, any doubts, even though it is small. I don't mind. Okay. Please ask because this is for you. Yeah. Anything you want to ask?
Hey, hi, sir. I just want I'm having some bunch of questions.
Yeah, tell me.
So, in the live project, which domain or which kind of project we are going to cover? And the second thing, so while discussing with Databricks, so are we going to cover that bronze layer validation, silver layer, and golden layer as well?
Yes. All those layers. And be it be bronze, be it be silver, be it be gold. See, ETL, if you talk about, I told you, first thing what I told you. One is traditional manual ETL testing. Then is what? Automation ETL testing. Then is what? Cloud-based ETL testing. When I'll cover this cloud-based ETL testing, I will cover layer by layer. Okay. What is a bronze layer? What is a gold layer? What is a silver layer? How to do the testing? Okay. So all those things will be discussed. So don't worry about those things. And apart from that project, project you were asking. So project we cover, guys. We have our own project, guys. Okay. So that is a e-commerce domain project. Okay. So that we will discuss the e-commerce domain project, and also we take one healthcare domain project. Okay. So two projects we take so that we can easily justify our projects and experience. So that is how we proceed. Tell me, any more doubts?
Sure. And last question, sir, during the automation ETL testing, so are we covering how to automate the Power BI dashboard as well, whatever the tools we are using?
Yeah, we will discuss actually how to automate the Power BI. Okay, we will not actually do, but we will tell you how to do Power BI. No, there is something called as Allure library. Okay, I will discuss that. Okay, how to automate the Power BI testing, because generally Power BI testing is done manually, but how to automate the entire report testing? There's something called as Allure library, and we put the dashboard details and we automate. We'll discuss that. Tell
Sure.
me any more doubts?
Sure. No, because in my current project, no, I'm already doing this manual things, but I don't having any automation experience. So I just wanted to upgrade.
Yeah, because nowadays, no, some of the interview panels, they are not only sticking to the manual ETL testing, traditional one. Okay, traditional one will go most of the companies, but if you go to very, very specific companies, no, that is 20% of the companies or less, they are asking ETL automation. That is why we have included this particular topic in this batch, that we will continue with the ETL automation part also. See, 90% to 80% of the company ask only ETL manual testing, but 10 to 15% of the companies are very specific, and they also want to know that do you have knowledge on ETL automation and how you do ETL automation testing and how you automate the things instead of doing manual using Python and all. So Python has become a very, very, common language. If you want to be in data, you have to know Python, be a data science engineer, be a data migration engineer, be a anything you want to do with respect to data, be a data profiling job, any job, we generally use Python, guys. Java is not much used in data thing. So Python and SQL, two things are mostly asked. Mostly you will be asked SQL, but nowadays some of these specific companies are asking Python also. And that is why we have included the entire ETL automation. So this is what is the difference, guys. The way we teach now, I don't know how many of you went through my channel. Whatever lectures I have given, guys, if you, let me just open my channel. Just give me one second. Are you able to see my channel? Yes or no, guys?
Yeah,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is my channel, guys. You can see how many subscriber has joined mine. Okay, it has become monetized. All the lectures are given by me, all the from day one to day end. Okay, and you can see the subscriber channel got monetized. YouTube messaged me, YouTube mailed me, and you can understand the power of the lectures what I take. So now we will include, guys, ETL automation and everything. So this is how I teach, guys. This is my passion, guys. I like helping others and teaching. That is why I'm in these things, because that is the thing, guys. This is my website. Okay, so there's a separate team, guys, for development of website and advertisement of ours. So this is our website. Is the syllabus and everything you can download. So this is how we will proceed, guys. Okay, slowly and gradually we will learn. First, we will learn, guys, SQL. Okay, because this is a basic thing. Then we will go to manual ETL testing using Informatica. Informatica, guys, one development also I'll teach you apart from the testing thing. And then, guys, we'll learn report testing. Then we will learn automation testing, cloud-based ETL testing. The syllabus, what I will cover, guys, you can try anywhere in this country. No one will cover this, all these things. This is a huge syllabus, what we cover. And the way I teach, guys, is very, very friendly, and you can ask any questions anytime. That is how is the plan. Okay. So now
Okay.
tell me, Subhangi, you want to know anything?
I have one query. After
Yeah.
this finishing this class,
Hmm.
can you give any call interviews?
Yes, interviews we will provide. We have a separate HR team. Apart from I also provide a lot of
Mm.
calls you will get. You don't worry about the calls. As an experienced
Okay.
people, daily you will get 2 to 3 calls. Okay. So call is a very secondary thing for an experienced person. Okay.
Yeah.
So main thing is clearing the interview for an experienced person. For a fresher,
Mm.
yeah, getting a call is a
Yeah.
tough thing. But for an experienced person, no, call is not that much challenging. The main challenge is to clear the interview. Okay. To convince
So
the
that
interviewer. Yeah. So
yeah,
we'll provide. Yeah, we'll provide you a
that
lot
is
of
my
interviews.
query because
Yeah.
I am a fresher.
Yeah. You are a fresher.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll provide you so many interviews to provide you. Don't worry. We'll talk on that thing. So once your syllabus is completed, no, you can talk on me. We will provide you so many interviews. Don't worry. Interview will you will get so many. This is a very emerging technology, and you know any company data will be used, and then data will be moved, and then
Mm.
this is a thing which will never end, because as long as software is there, as long as things are there, data will be there, and if data is there, then testing will happen. And then guys, this is a never ending and
Yes.
thing, because data is very powerful thing, guys, in this world, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the plan, guys. So this is the demo. So I showed you the materials. Okay, ETL testing, we have a separate material. For SQL, we have a separate material. I don't know how many of you have
Mm.
seen that. Yeah, for SQL, we have a separate material. Okay, entire things are there. Questions I showed you, project I showed you. So we have our personal projects, interview questions, and everything. Test scenario, test cases, and all these things, guys. I will show you how to get the certificates from HackerRank, guys. These are the certificates, there are so many certificates, guys. There's something called as basic to advanced. Okay. So these
Mm.
certificates, how to get, I'll tell you. So suppose this is a basic certificate. Okay. This is
Mm.
intermediate certificate. Okay. And this
Yeah.
is advanced certificate. Okay. On
Mm.
SQL, guys. So you have to actually go to HackerRank. I don't know how many of you know this HackerRank. If you don't know, I'm just telling you. Okay. Just go
Mm.
here and just log in into this HackerRank. Okay, this is completely free, guys. Okay. So
Mm.
go to HackerRank, okay, and just log in with your mail ID, guys. Okay. And try to sign up, guys. Okay. And then after signing up, okay, so here you will get a lot of things. Okay. Here you have to click on sign up, and you can give your free trial. Okay. Create account and all those things you can do. And then you can just start your trial, and then you can just give the exam from here. It's a completely free test, but the only thing is if you fail in HackerRank test, you will have to wait for 1 month. Okay, that is
Okay.
it. So try to get the certificates, guys. After the course, I have done all the three. You have see, I've showed you. So you can just try for SQL. Okay, that is the certification, because certificate will help you, guys. In the CV, you can mention, right, certified from SQL from this from HackerRank. So this will help you, guys. Okay, so you know one which is shown is always preferred, right? So
Yeah.
that should be very attractive, right? When your CV is having so many certificates and all, it looks attractive, right? That is what is the thing. Okay. So I will tell you all those things, HackerRank and all those things. So that is the plan, guys. So now, apart from this, so that is the plan for the things, and we'll continue, guys, tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.